What's up guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review the Eufy security camera system model Eufy E40 2-cam kit home base 2nd edition. This is 2-camera kit with home base 2 designed for easy home security without monthly subscriptions fees. I'll show you guys everything in the box, explain each part. Stay with our channel. Okay, let's open it. So this like an outside box with a short information and images of the kit shortly, alright? And the kit itself in this second box. So let's open it up. So guys, what we can find here. So the very first we can find two wireless battery powered cameras, alright? So before filming it, I close the personal information of the camera. There's a QR code here and all the personal identification of the camera, which I don't want to share with nobody, okay? So this Eufy Cam E40 cam, there's all the information you can find at the back of the camera. There's the sound provider, okay, and the T1. There's the cover, which is manufacturer installed for safety, damaging the body of the camera, all right? Right here we can find a USB-C charging port, okay, and there's the button for synchronizing for a home base, okay. This is the solar panel, this is the camera itself, and this as well like a safe film to cover the lenses, okay, and this is the diodes for lighting, okay, for a night vision. This camera is pretty much unique that all the model line of the camera of Eufy. It has like built-in rechargeable battery up to 180 days depending on the usage. It's in holding charge, right? We have to remove the film before usage, okay. Mounting system in the back of the camera, so we can screw in the bracket right here in the bottom. This automatic infrared night vision, black and white in the night. And one of the feature is 2K resolution for camera, not 4K, but it's fair 2K resolution for the camera, okay. And this is right here, there's a night vision diode, okay. So one of the feature is the AI detection, distinguish human, animals, and emotion, alright. So the camera has to be connected to the home base too, but this particular camera can be used like a solo camera just without the home base, but let's talk about later, okay. So move on with the cameras and let's see what we got else here. So what else we can find in the box? So you can find in the box home base. This is a home base 2nd edition. So right here in the bottom you can see the alarm off and synchronization button. There's a reset button, there's an Ethernet connection, and the USB and the power cable connection, alright. So this is a light indicator about the working base. On the bottom of the home base too, you can find the information about model and also the personal information about camera, like an email or VIN number about, like on vehicles, alright, and a QR code for connection to the cameras, okay. So let's place it right here. So one more box left inside this huge package, okay. So let's open up and see what's going on right here. Alright, this is like the documentation and quick start guide. So everything you need about installation and the quick references, how to install the camera, and all the information what you need to making sure that you are good and the proper installation of the camera. So this is a sticker about who is protected by, and the two mounting brackets for cameras itself. So as you can see, you can screw in the brackets inside the camera like this and mount it to the wall or whatever you want, whatever you need, in any position you want, you can mount the camera, okay? Let's move on. So the very last box consists the charger, okay? This is a charger for a home base. This is a charger for a home base. We can install it right here and connect to the wall chargers. So this is the information about AC/DC adapter. Okay, so again, this is the home base, this is the main unit, this is the brain of the system. All recording are stored locally on it. It connects via Ethernet to the router and communicates wirelessly with the cameras, okay? So the features of the cameras, it consists of built-in battery which can hold the charge up to 180 days, okay? So even you will lose the power, you will have to catch a power outage, all right, for your house. Camera will still recording the footage, okay, in case that your base is connected to the back UPC, okay. So this is one of the feature, and the cameras connected to the home base wireless, okay. I'd like to add that the Eufy provides like an application which you have to set up when you install the cameras, and this guide consists all the information you need for proper mounting and setup and installation of cameras, okay. And once again, the proper installation of the kit looks like that. So you have installed, connect your home base to the wall charger, then you have to connect it to the router, and then through the Wi-Fi you have connect your cameras, all right. And all this will use the one single app in your phone, and you have connect as much users as you want to watching the video footage, okay. No cables needed, no professional installation needed, and no subscription. So the home base has like 16 gigabytes of memory, okay. It's fully enough for maybe 5-6 days of storage. And the home base can carry or serve up to 8 cameras. To be honest, you can find on the marketplace or Amazon more advanced cameras or more advanced kits. This resolution, recording resolution, it's a little bit outdated, right, with the 2K quality, but the more advanced systems are cost like 5 times more than this one. So I bought the kit for $108 on the marketplace in Prime Day, okay. So for $108 you get 2 wireless camera with a solar charger and home base. For your security, it's more than enough, I believe, to control the front door and back door as well. It's good to know that you can add the additional solar panel for your camera by using the USB charger Type-C, and it costs probably from $17 to $25 per pair of solar chargers for your cameras, okay. So there's a pretty much decent kit. I believe there's a entry kit for a home security. Right. I will not hold you more with the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was like a video for unboxing the kit for Eufy Cam E42 Cam kit with the home base too. Guys, if you like the video, please hit the link button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment section below. God bless and be safe.